Hi, good evening. I'm Dogra, airline captain and aviation engineer. Today I was invited as a guest of honor with engineering students. I interacted with your aerospace and aeronautical engineering students, and it's a wonderful experience being with them. I must tell students that aviation is on a full growth and the people have a wonderful scope in aviation. At this university, I never expected that to be so beautiful, but it is beyond my expectation. Quality of instructors, examiners is beyond doubt. And I can very much assure you that students, you're in a beautiful place and you're going to have a very bright future. My special thanks to the founder, gentleman who really took care of me. And once again, I say thanks, and I must let students know that you are doing your practical training with a DGCA Approved Maintenance Program. So you are in safe hands and your future is very bright. Thanks for choosing this place and thanks for honoring me. I wish you all the best. Good luck to you guys.